Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, I know. My excuse is quarantine, pandemic, COVID, same as everybody else, I guess. Yeah, I wanted to take a moment to come back and show you my apartment because a lot of you loved my apartment tour, but this place doesn't look like this anymore. I have updated a few things, especially now that I'm spending so much time at home. I'm working from home. I've customized some things to make them more comfortable, change the vibe a little bit. I don't know why I keep on saying vibe, but I keep on saying vibe. And just to make it more practical. Many things are still true. I still don't have a parking spot. There's still no laundry here, so I have to go somewhere else to do laundry. I am still paying $11.95, and I think we are rent controlled. And this year, for some reason, we didn't get that paper, which I'm hoping we don't get anytime soon. I think it might be due to COVID and maybe the landlord's like, you know, letting this year slide, which how nice of them. Before we go into the tour, if you like apartment tours, if you like home decor, or anything adulting, please click that red button below and subscribe, and also leave a comment of what you think or just saying I subscribe and I will be sure to respond to you. And here's the tour. So this is my walk up. Lots of plants. I love it. I actually added some new plants to my doorstep. So you walk in and this is kind of the view. The first thing you see is the kitchen area. And you see this little setup. I just painted these a few days ago. And I love it. This little table is McGee, is Studio McGee from Target. Marble tabletop. And these two paintings that I did myself. Some antique candlesticks. Just love it. This is my closet. Don't go in there. You don't need to see anything in there. Everything here is kind of new to the space, at least. Except the couch and these frames, and I think this little table here. I got a new rug. I wanted something more durable because this white like shag was just out and I wasn't feeling it anymore, so I got this like leather woven world market rug. I needed a new table, little coffee table, and I found this on the street. I actually was just like gonna sell it, but then I ended up liking how it looked here. These fixtures are from IKEA. I just spray painted them. This one's copper, this one's gold. I wanted to try both. I think I'm gonna go with the copper, so I gotta redo that one, this one, the long one. And that's a plug-in. I got an olive tree. This olive tree from Lowe's, I believe. And also this pot was from World Market and it was on sale. Yeah, and I wanted to add more whites and more neutrals to make the space feel a little bit more earthy. I have this vase, which is a little bit weird. Right now I do have those like, what are they called? Pine tree, kind of like getting ready for Christmas here. I'm gonna turn off this light because it's a little bright. You see, it creates a moment. I tend to take some pictures here, some Instagram. It's Instagrammable. And then I have this chair, which is also Studio McGee from Target. I actually didn't buy it on Target, I bought it on OfferUp. So you see that pillow is separate from this because I bought this on OfferUp for like $100. Usually they're about, this chair, I actually bought it before and it was $270 and I found it for $110 on OfferUp. And I added a pillow from, I don't remember where I bought it. Got this basket with some of my blankets in case anyone wants to, you know, Netflix and chill. So this is the whole space. I like that little look. Such a vibe. I got this from IKEA and I stained it and I added some poles. I have this plant that I've had for so long. It's grown so much. I don't know if I'm feeling it anymore. So if anyone's really interested, you might be able to get it. Make me an offer. So you go over here. This is a lot of storage. I got some clothes, blankets, paper towels, all that stuff in there. Tools and things here. My AC unit usually goes there when I'm not using it. And I updated my room, my bedroom, which a lot of people laughed at. This is technically a studio apartment, but you know, we had to make it work. Actually, this is one of the selling points for me because it was a separate sleeping space, but I did update a lot in here. It looks pretty similar, but I updated a lot. So this is the tiny room view from the bathroom. Added a rug. I have like an 18-inch platform, so there's a lot of storage all throughout there. I fixed that headboard down to the wall, and I left this side of some space. So there's a little table with a plant, and I put my water cup there, and my phone charges on there. And yeah, there's a window back there, and my AC unit's still there. And it's awesome here inside. And here's the view if you like lay down here. Oh, it's so comfortable. This little shelf here that I installed. I have this frame with this little painting or stamp painting from Guatemala. Here I have this little glass box from IKEA, and all of those are my eye masks whenever I need them. And this is a book I like to read in the morning when I need some motivation. And this is this random little cabinet that gives me a hint that this used to be a walk-in closet. And my hammocks are there. Anything I just don't use a lot is up there. I don't even really know what's up there because I haven't been up there in so long. And there's a rack here, so sometimes when I have to dry some things, I just hang it there, like during the day. It's pretty cozy. I'm not mad at this setup. Not mad at all. I just gotta crawl out every day. We have a bathroom. So I added that plant there. Maybe not that new of a setup. Got that plant that's dying up there. Got some little storage thingies. These little scents, some spray. Got some floss here. We got some Q-tips. We got lotions. Loving the white. Also, the most exciting thing is that I added a big mirror in here. So it's just a vibe. Look at this. Such a nice mirror. Let me see if I can get the whole thing. Ugh, it's big. I also added all these plants up here. Don't judge my head and shoulders. And there's a window. Here's the kitchen. It's pretty old in general. I added these shelves here, so we got some cups, all my spices in there. One of my coworkers gave me this espresso. It's awesome. I love it. Thank you. Shout out to Alejandro. And I keep some of the pods up here, some other stuff, flowers for my friend's wedding, fruits, all that. And that still doesn't close. It's so old. And this is what it looks like here. Got some plants. I got all my dishes. Still got some goods, although I'm running low. Got some more storage here. And I got a new fridge. That's new. That actually happened early in pandemic. So sad. And I installed this thing right here for all my oils. And now that we are working from home, here is my office. And I will be redoing this, I promise. The space needs some work. It's a lot. I have this cart. I got this huge printer. It's awesome printer, but it's just huge. I got my degree, my bachelor's. I don't know what happened to my master's. I don't know where it is. It hasn't arrived. I don't know. Maybe I didn't pay something. Some other stuff. I got this Billy bookshelf from IKEA, the blue one. I love it. It's awesome. Got this big trash can. And here's my whole, yeah, I need to redo this space. Don't mind my license plates. I haven't installed them yet. Plant. Here's this big mirror. Here's this big bookshelf. It's tight in here, but spend many hours here. Okay. And then right off my kitchen is my balcony slash not really a balcony, a walkway area where I did some gardening during quarantine. My plants aren't doing so well anymore, but they were thriving at one point. I mean, they look fine, I guess. And we have a view of Los Angeles. Here's a view of it at night. Just love staring at it. And that's it. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It does look a little different, but I hope that you found some things that you liked a little more. Let me know. If you liked a specific item and you want to find it for yourself, comment below and I will try to link any item that I can find a link for. Again, if you like apartment tours, home decor, or anything adulting, please subscribe. I will be back very soon sharing some holiday decor, so please stay tuned. You can also keep up with me on Instagram. See you soon.